Good morning, students. In this video, we are going to discuss about features of MS Windows 7. Features of Microsoft Windows 7. Windows 95 was the first major Windows. Which one was the first major Windows? Windows 95 was the first major Windows. Windows 98, Windows 2000, Windows ME, Windows XP, Windows Vista, Windows 7, Windows 8 and Windows 10. These are the some other major Windows. Windows 7 uses a group of features called window arrow, which includes snap, peek, shake and flip. Snap, peek, shake and flip. These are the some features of Windows 7. These features are called window arrow. First we shall discuss about snap. What is snap? Snap is a quick new way to resize opened windows, simply dragging them to the edges of the screen. Snap is a quick new way to resize opened windows simply by dragging to the edges of the screen. We can arrange the windows side by side by using snap. We can arrange the windows side by side on the desktop by using snap. See, by arranging the windows side by side on the desktop, which helps to compare two documents or while moving files from one place to another. It is very easy to compare two files from the different windows, or it is very easy to move the files from one window to another window. How to arrange the windows side by side on the desktop? What are the steps to arrange the windows side by side on the desktop by using snap? See, first step is drag the title bar of a window to the left or the right side, where you want. Left side, if you want in the left side, you just drag in the left side. If you want in the right side, you just drag the title bar in the right side. Then what you have to do, release the mouse to expand the window. The next, repeat the steps 1 and 2 with another window. The first step is drag the title bar of a window to the left or the right side. Then release the mouse to expand the window. Then you do the same. You just repeat the same. First what you did. The next, maximize windows on the desktop by using snap. We can maximize the windows on the desktop by using the snap. You can use snap to maximize a window, which makes it easier to focus on that window because of less distraction from other open windows. What are the steps to maximize the windows on the desktop? First step is drag the title bar of the window to the top of the screen. The window's outline expand to fill the screen. Then second step, release the window to expand it to fill the entire desktop. Two steps are there. First step is drag the title bar of the window to the top of the screen. The window's outline expand to fill the screen. The next step is release the window to expand it to fill entire desktop. The next feature is peek. What is peek? You can view your open windows on the taskbar by using peek. What we can do with peek? Peek help to view our open windows on the taskbar. See, what we can do, temporarily preview the desktop using peek. Temporarily preview the desktop using peek. We can temporarily view the desktop using peek. This can be useful for quickly viewing desktop gadgets and folders. What are the steps to temporarily preview the desktop? The first step is point to the Show Desktop button at the end of the taskbar. The opened windows fade from view, revealing the desktop. Point to the Show Desktop button at the end of the taskbar. The opened windows fade from view, revealing the desktop. Then the next step, to make the windows reappear, move the pointer away from the Show Desktop button. See, the next one is shake. Next feature is shake. What is shake? When your desktop is cluttered with opened windows, you can use shake to select a single window. When your desktop is cluttered with opened windows, if there are many windows are opened, then you can use shake to select a single window. Then rest of the windows can be closed. When your desktop is cluttered with opened windows, you can use shake to select a single window and close the rest. We can minimize the windows on the desktop by using shake. You can use shake to quickly minimize every opened window except the one you are shaking. What are the steps to minimize the windows by using the shake? For the window you want to keep open, drag or shake the title bar back and forth quickly. This is the step to minimize the windows by using shake. For the window you want to keep open, drag or shake the title bar back and forth quickly. To restore the minimized windows, shake the opened window again. The next feature is flip. Flip and flip 3D are two ways to see previews of all open windows at once. Flip and flip 3D. These are the two ways to see our previews of all opened windows at once. How many windows are opened? These windows can be seen at once by using flip and flip 3D. See, steps to switch windows using flip. What are the steps to switch windows using flip? Press and hold Alt key, then press tab to open the flip view of your opened windows. Or first what we have to do, press and hold the Alt key, then press tab to open the flip of view of your opened windows. Then the next step is, what is the next step? While still pressing Alt key, you can flip through opened windows pressing the tab key. While still pressing the Alt key, you can flip through opened windows pressing the tab key. Stop at the window you want to open and it will appear on the full screen. Where you want, which windows you want to see or you want to open, there you stop at the window you want to open and it will appear on the full screen. The next one is the flip 3D. What are the steps to switch windows using flip 3D? See, these are the steps. First, what we have to do, press Ctrl plus Windows logo key plus tab press Ctrl plus Windows logo key plus tab. Press tab to move through the windows. If you want to move, what we have to press? Tab. We can also press right arrow, down arrow, left arrow or right arrow. If we want to move the windows up and down, we have to use down arrow and up arrows. If we want to move the windows right side or left side, we have to use right arrow or the left arrow. Click a window in the stack to display that window. What we have to do? The third step is click a window in the stack to display that window. Click outside the stack to close Flip 3D. If you want to close the window, what we have to do? We have to click outside the stack to close the Flip 3D. In the next class, we will discuss about the next chapter. Thank you.